welcome you again to the online English class of 6 Asangjoga program. Today I will teach you the second session of the topic named the Olympic champion and the ducks. We have already covered SGP 1 and paragraph 1. Today we will teach paragraph 2, 3, 4 and 5. Read the rest of the paragraphs silently and answer the questions that follow. By the time he was 20, Bobby Pierce କଥା କହୁଛି. Bobby was the bowling champion of Australia. Bobby ଯେତେବେଳେ 20 ବର୍ଷ ବୟସ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ଚାମ୍ପିୟନର ନୌଚଳନରେ ଚାମ୍ପିୟନ ହେଇପାରିଥିଲେ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆର. The following year in 1928 1928 କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲେ, he went to Amsterdam to compete in the Olympic Gamesରେ ସେ ଆମଷ୍ଟରଡାମକୁ କମ୍ପିଟିସନରେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ. In the finals he competed against Ken Myers of America. ଶେଷ ଫାଇନାଲ ଖେଳରେ ସିଏ ଆମେରିକାର କେନ୍ ମାୟର୍ସ ସହିତ ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ. From the start of the race ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା. Bobby was in the lead. Bobby ଆଗରେ ରହିଥିଲେ. At the halfway stage he was still leading. ଅଧା ଅଧି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଆଗରେ ହେଇଥିଲେ. And very much ahead of Myers. ମାୟର୍ସଙ୍କ ବହୁତ ଆଗରେ ସେ ରହିଥିଲେ. It seemed that Bobby would easily win. ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା ବବି ସହଜରେ ଖେଳରେ ଜିତିବେ. Paragraph 3. Then suddenly something happened. ହଠାତ୍ ଗୋଟେ କାଣ୍ଡ ଘଟିଗଲା. କ'ଣ ହେଲା? Bobby heard a shout from the bank. କୂଳରୁ ବବି ଗୋଟିଏ ଜୋର କରି ଚିତ୍କାର ଶୁଣିଲେ. And looked over his shoulder. ତା କାନ୍ଧ ଦେଇ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲେ, ଅନେଇଲେ, he saw a duck and her ducklings swimming across the canal. ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟିଏ ହଂସ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ଛୁଆମାନେ, ହଂସ ଛୁଆ ଡକଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍, ସୁଇମିଂ ଆକ୍ରସ୍ ଦି କେନାଲ ଦେଇ ପହଁରି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି. They were swimming into the course of his boat. ସେମାନେ ଠିକ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଡଙ୍ଗା ଆଡ଼କୁ ପହଁରି କରି ଚାଲି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି. And the boat was going to run into them. ଏବଂ ଡଙ୍ଗାଟି ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଚାଲି ଯାଉଛି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧକ୍କା ଦେବା ପୋଜିସନରେ. The poor birds had no idea that they were in the middle of the Olympic race. ସେ ଚଢ଼େଇମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିନଥିଲେ ଯେ ଡଙ୍ଗା ମଝିରେ ସେମାନେ ଆସିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି. Paragraph 4. Immediately Bobby slowed his boat down. ବବି କ'ଣ କଲେ? ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାଙ୍କ ଡଙ୍ଗାକୁ ସ୍ଥିର କରିଦେଲେ ବା କମଜୋର କରିଦେଲେ, ଟିକେ ସ୍ଲୋ ଡାଉନ୍ କରିଦେଲେ. Myers was catching him very fast. ମାୟର୍ସ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଶୀଘ୍ର ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ଆଣୁଥିଲେ. The people on the shore were shouting as if they were mad. କୂଳରେ ଥିବା ଲୋକମାନେ ପାଗଳ ହେଲା ପ୍ରାୟ ଚିତ୍କାର କରୁଥିଲେ. But Bobby waited patiently. କିନ୍ତୁ ବବି ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସହକାରେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିଲେ. Until all the ducklings out of harm's way. ସବୁ ହଂସ ଛୁଆ ଯେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବିପଦମୁକ୍ତ ନ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଡଙ୍ଗାକୁ ସ୍ଥିର କରିଦେଲେ. Then he picked up speed again. ପୁଣି ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ବେଗ ବଢ଼େଇଲେ. And went to win the race easily. ସହଜରେ ଖେଳ ଜିତିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଗେଇ ଚାଲିଲେ. Paragraph 5. Of all the Olympic heroes, ଯେତେ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକର ଖ୍ୟାତନାମା ସବୁ ହିରୋ ଥିଲେ, it was he who won everybody heart. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟକୁ ଜିଣି ପାରୁଥିଲେ କି ବବି ପିୟର୍ସ. A Dutch newspaper wrote, ଥରେ ଡଚ୍ ପେପରରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲେଖା ବାହାରିଥିଲା. He won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. ଆମଷ୍ଟରଡାମର ଛାତ୍ରମାନଙ୍କର, ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ସେ ମନ ଜିତି ପାରିଦେଇଥିଲେ. His friends in the Australian Olympic team were not surprised by the incident. ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥୀମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକରେ ଥିଲେ ଟିଭିରେ ଏକଥା ଜାଣି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇନଥିଲେ. Of the ducks, ହଂସମାନଙ୍କର କଥା. Bobby is that kind of bloke, they said. ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ବବି ସେଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଗୋଟିଏ ଶକ୍ତି, କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ, from the age of 6, ଯିଏକି 6 ବର୍ଷ ବୟସରେ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିଥିଲେ, ଡଙ୍ଗା ଚଳନରେ ଚମ୍ପିୟନ ହେଇପାରୁଥିଲେ. Bobby Pierce competed in races for 33 years. ସେ 33 ବର୍ଷ ଧରି ଏମିତି କମ୍ପିଟିସନରେ ଯୋଗଦାନ ଦେଇ ଆସିଥିଲେ and retired from sports in 1945 ଏବଂ ଏହି ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଜଗତରୁ ଖେଳ ଜଗତରୁ 1945ରେ ସେ ଅବସର ନେଇଥିଲେ। How many of these races do you think he lost? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ ସେ କେତେ ଖେଳରେ ଏମିତି ସେମାନେ ହାରିଥିବେ ସେ ନିଜେ? Not a single race. ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ସେ କେବେ ବି ହାରି ନଥିଲେ। ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ପିଲାମାନେ। At what age did Bobby become the sculling champion of Australia? ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆର ସ୍କଲିଂ ଚାମ୍ପିୟନ୍ ସେ କେତେ ବୟସରେ ହେଇଥିଲେ? Bobby was the sculling champion at the age of 20 when he was 20 years old. Bobby was the sculling champion of Australia at the age of 20. Question number 2. In which year did he start to compete in Olympics? In the year 1928, he starts to compete in Olympics. Who did he compete against in finals? Final से कहाँ से तो compete करते? In the final race, he was compete with the Ken Myers of America. Question number 4. Who was in the lead? Bobby Pierce was in the lead. What did Bobby see? Bobby saw a duck and her ducklings in the course of his boat when he was in the lead. Question number 6. If Bobby had not stopped, what would have happened? Bobby ଯଦି ଅଟକି ନଥାନ୍ତା କ'ଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା? If Bobby had not stopped, the duck and the ducklings would have hit by his boat and would die in course of his competition. Question number 7. Did he wait for some time to let the ducks pass? Yes, he waited for some time patiently until all the ducklings were out of harm's way. Question number 8. Did Bobby win the race in spite of the delay? Yes, in spite of the delay, Bobby was easily win the race. Question number 9. Why did he win everybody's heart for winning the race or for waiting to let the ducks pass? He was winning everybody's heart not for winning the race but for waiting and to let the ducks pass. Question number 10. What did the Dutch newspaper write about him? A Dutch newspaper wrote about him that he owned the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. Question number 11. Why were his Australian friends not surprised? His Australian friends were not surprised because they knew Bobby is that kind of blob. Bobby is that kind of blob. Question number 12. Do you like Bobby? Why? Yes, I like Bobby for his behavior and as a champion, and I also like him because he never lost a single match in his life. He was a real hero and the champion of the Olympic match. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. This topic was come to an end. In the next online class, we will go to the post-reading part of this lesson. For that time, keep safe yourself and healthy. Thank you.